share the time you had with them and share that with people because everyone's in it together and we all are going through the same thing.
Hi guys, it's me. Once again, Alan Mangahas, and you are watching my third vlog for my entire YouTube channel. And we're going to talk about Mother's Day. So yes, kasi scroll ako sa YouTube, then tanaw ko BuzzFeed, then naka-triggers ako sa BuzzFeed na video. And ang title sa video is When My Parents Passed Away. By the way, this is my mother. She is this. I will let you see. Isang mawalan ng mama. There. And ang gusto lang karoon is magtanaw-tan yung videos. Diba, makita lang yun butang na ako din. Magtanaw-tan yung videos on how me and my mom spent time together while she was here. Kami ni mama kami ni ka-close. Kasi isa't-isa ka ng wala kami best friends. Pinanagod na thing. Then, kato, makita rin mo sa mga videos pa lang na anak na Juday may ka-close ni mama. So, kato, heartbreaking siya to. Namatay na si mama. Nagpapanguta na, gano'n siya namatay. Oras na din mo, natay mabuhat. Kaya na siguro siya pain na na-experience na rin sa world na nakaingat siguro si God na this is too much. I will take you back na into my arms, to my hands, little hugging for her. I guess she's happy naman up there, diba? We all are going to be up there. Namatay yun. Charot. Namatay siya because of ang gingon sa doktor is stroke. Nag-blood clot ang yahang tutok siya kung tukso mo itong reason niya siya namatay. Kato, pagbangon ako, very nice ang ako mga yun. Grabe ka happy, grabe ka ang sun, kayo mag-reflex mo ang skin, like, oh come on, give me a happy day. Mata na ko siya, hindi mo siya mamata. Ianan ako, kaila ko ito kayo, nag-burn ako. Hindi pa ako mabangon, yung ginanaw niya. Kato, ihabak na ko yung agdang, ianan na ko yung agdang. Anak ko siya, kamata man siya, ianan man siya. Kulbaan ko kay motong look, ang kanang pagsiga niya sa mata, muna ditong last, ang pagsiga siya mata ba nagapangayog tabang na na-stroke ko, na ginana di ako yung hining. Ako kaya akong pag-proceed sa message, ginana lang na, message nga siya na, ngayon ako pagbaon. Ako na nagkuha, wala na ako na mind na nagtukar na diyan sakit ato. So yeah, sabi na ako isip ko sa self, time no, masing simple na stroke, wala ko kabalo. Yeah, ako sa'yo, mag-blame ko na ako self kay. Diba? Na-miss mo yung mama nito, na-stroke, wala pa kakapansin. Ito nilakaw ko, na nasagdan ako. After exam, I was right all along. Tawag din si Ate Sakwa. Nagulat kami sa hospital for how many days? Mga 5 days. She died. It was the most devastating time of my life na namatay siya sa stroke or blood clot, whatever fucking disease na siya. Sad. Sakit siya. But life goes on. Mag-hurt siya sa process na wala na. Ito ka makaunang asa naman ka na magkita ka sa feeling. Ganun. Kaya karoon po tanaw ng mga videos na me and my mom have cherished. Ako man itong type of hilig mag-buat ng videos ko. So, apit-apit ako si mama sa kanang murag bida-bida sa mga videos. Ito okay si mama. Hindi siya VJ ka na. So yeah, magtanaw na video na ito. Makitaan nyo yung pagkaon sa mama sa video pa lang, no? Kanang, bili siya, masabay siya sa yung clip. Na, patikan niyo. Kami lang doon. Sumugin siya sa akong mga moves. mag-hug-hug sa kuha sa mga videos. Wala ka nang, di kayo mo hawa na. Ano niya kalabang yung mga anak. Kami tulo.
I'm yelling timber, you better move, you better dance. Let's make a night.
And naman kanina video, wala pinaka katawanan na mama dyan. Wala siya kabalo na video na niyang gipislit. Kunya, amin yung kamera ba? So katuyang now, kayo awan ninyo. Kailan. Nagtaka siya for 6 seconds ata na nagtanaw lang sa wala siya nakahula ng video gito, no? Smile gapon mo rin. Diba? Yan siya ka. Grabe ka jolly ni mama. Positive person. Yan ang even though nag-aaway man mi. Nag-aaway man ni mama. Pero walang mali ko na ako as son kay ikaw lang yung outlet for love, then imuha pa siyang gina taboy. That's bad. Inside, dapat bigyan mo anaw ni mong mama gid. Ano ba naman mag-away kita na ko say pero do not prolong the fight kay it will hurt him. It will hurt him. Promise. Coming from a loving son. So yes, this is the last video ata sa Facebook na akong i-post na naa siya.
Isn't she lovely?
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute. Oh, I never thought that love would be making one as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best. Girl, I'm so happy. We have been heaven blessed. I can't believe what God has done. Through us, He's given life to one. But isn't she lovely? Made from love.
You know guys, I could repeat this video all the time, all my fucking life.
Isn't
ko
she
magsawa nila video, promise.
wonderful?
And by the
Isn't
way,
she
dirin ko na spot. Dirin ko na spot
precious?
nagkakanta ni mama.
Less than 1 minute. Oh, I never thought that love would be making one as lovely as she. But
Sad, no?
isn't she lovely?
Video na lang yung mga
May
hindi niyo siya ma-feel physically. No matter how no matter how
Isn't
much
she
you want them to hug
pretty?
you right now,
Truly the angel's best.
although they want to,
Girl, I'm
but
so happy.
this time kina-imagine
We
na
have
ako
been
na Mother's Day.
heaven
Wow.
blessed. I can believe
Imagine na ako
what
na
God has
nagpakasyon lang si mama.
done.
Kahiling siya
Through
magpakasyon.
us, He's given life to one. But isn't she
Nakalaw na
lovely?
wala kaya.
Made from
Love
love.
your parents. Love your mother, your father, your siblings. I feel na part ko sa generation where broken family ang kadaghanan. Listen ma what ano ka na loved one, especially if you're that really close. I wish that I could tell my mom, sorry, Nana, I love you. Pero kay Mother's Day, may ko nakahatag siya, o regalo na. Ay, nakahatag ako. Wala lang niya nagamit. And, ang gusto na ko sa niya na experience is be strong enough. Pero, it's not easy. It's going to be hard. I tell you. Wala kay takas. You have to solve this on your own. So, what I do, pag alone ko I cry. I cry, I imagine things. Doesn't mean you should imagine na susunod na kasi lahat, mamatay ko. No! It's not the answer, guys. Hug your mother, or your father, or your other siblings, because they deserve your love. You'll only have one mother, one father. There's only one penis and vagina that made you live up to now. That's your mother and father, guys. So, love them. Mag-away man mo, sige. Someday, ayaw padugayin. Let your parents know that you love them. So, usay mo yan siya. Love you na ako as a dugay kay kumain mo kay love you na pagkatao. Kiss na lang. Kasi little things, guys, they will appreciate the little things that you do. It will hurt for them if hindi mo ipakita na love. Hindi yung love sila. We're going to end this video not sad, but kind of informative and inspirational. Na siguro na be strong enough to conquer, to not blame God in because He just wants us to become better, and He can see that we have a potential to be the best person that we are. Happy Mother's Day, and again, don't forget to give them hugs, kisses, words of appreciation for them to live a life in a day, not to live a day happy. Promise. Say I love you karon na day, or tomorrow, or ikaw. As long as mapakita mo every weekend mong love sila, your relationship will go stronger and genuine. Thank you for watching my vlog, and I will be making more videos. Just follow me and subscribe. Kani butan ako ang mga social media accounts sa baba na lang, guys. Sa link description below, show more. I-click lang show more, then nanandun ako mga social media accounts. And yeah, thank you for listening. Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.